So 5s, 7s and 9s again sound super cool, super funky, and you can use them in rock music or funk music or blues, anything. Basically, it's using your knowledge of double strokes and playing them for a certain amount of time before ending them. So with a 5-stroke drum roll, you play doubles until you get to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then start with the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's pretty straightforward. When you speed it up, that's where investing in working on your finger control that I talked about before with double strokes comes in, because you can speed it up really easily. It's almost like you're playing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, but you're doubling the first two notes, da 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 da, da 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 da. And that's reliant on what we call rebound. So if you get your stick and you hit your drum head, you should notice that the stick bounces back really quickly. So you don't want to be physically pulling that stick back every time, because that takes too much effort. So as soon as you drop your stick down, it bounces off the head. I'm going to play the drum now, and it bounces back. If I pull it back, it will look different. You notice the difference? Yeah? So when we're playing doubles, we're using that rebound to get faster. 5-stroke drum roll. Faster.